In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with PayPal. Believe it or not, there is actually a method that we can use in order to purchase crypto such as Bitcoin with PayPal. So in order to do this, what we need to do is we need to download a secondary app apart from just PayPal. And that app is called Coinbase. Coinbase is a free platform where you're able to go ahead and purchase cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is completely free to use and it's honestly really good, especially if you're really into crypto and you want to start investing more. Then I highly suggest installing Coinbase, and Coinbase is completely free. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and made your account, you should get a dashboard that looks like this. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to the top left and clicking on these 9 dots right over here. Then go ahead and select on profile and settings. And over here where it says add a payment method, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. And then you will notice that you'll get a option that says PayPal. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it like so. And then it is going to ask you to confirm your details again. So just make sure that the information on the Coinbase matches up with PayPal. So don't use like 2 different accounts or stuff like that. Otherwise, it will not work. But thankfully, we should be good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on yes, confirm. And now what it's going to be doing is going to be opening up PayPal. And now we need to go ahead and just log in and basically authorize Coinbase the permission to use PayPal. But basically, whenever you do go ahead and actually connect your PayPal account to Coinbase, whenever you do try to actually purchase a type of cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin, XRP, there's many different options as well. You will actually have the option to purchase it using PayPal. So at the moment, it is using my debit card. So all you would do is you go ahead and change it like so. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to link my PayPal account due to personal reasons that I can't really disclose publicly, but you should be able to do it, if you do have everything ready. But anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.